Alright, so welcome to our very first MFC tutorial video, and today we'll be showing you how to fix your Magneto bag. Firstly, unbox everything and ensure that you have all the essential items inside the bag. All the items can be found inside the bag, which includes the bag strap, the divider, and the joints to make the skeleton. Should anything be missing, please call our customer service hotline at the number given on the screen. Moving over to step 2, it's time to make the skeleton. Ensure you have a total of 8 connectors, 12 joints, and 4 S-hooks. Please take note that for the following sizes shown on the screen, the width is longer than its height, so please ensure that you fix the joint at the correct side. Once you fix your first joint, you can insert the S-hooks at the joints you wish to place your drinks on. Now connect the rest of the joints and make the skeleton. And for the third step, it's time to insert the skeleton inside the bag. Please be gentle and do not force the skeleton inside the bag. Should it not fit, do check again that the joints are being placed correctly. Once fixed, place the divider inside the bag. And for the fifth step, fix on the straps of the bag according to your comfort level. Last but not the least, please don't forget the side straps as well. That is all for today, folks. Please do hit that like button and subscribe to us for more videos.